Over the years, I have realized wealth management is just not about managing money. It is about delivering desired outcomes with high degree of precision, with simplicity, clarity, and confident decision making in a complex world of money. Hi, I am Manu Avasti, CEO and founder, Centricity Wealth Tech. When we started Centricity, we were very clear that we want to build a technology-led ecosystem which will simplify wealth management for every single stakeholder. We saw an industry where investors were dealing with limited accessibility to products, opaque pricing, and a very fragmented report and MIS on their portfolio. On the other hand, advisors and institutions were struggling for scalability and cost optimization to ensure that their alignment of interest was very well established with the clients. That's where our journey began. Today, Centricity has evolved as a cross-sectional operating leverage wealth management ecosystem catering to different channel of sales and different investor segments. At one end, we have Invictus, our boutique private wealth management offering for first families of the country, corporate treasuries, and large institutions, offering them personalized solutions and technology-led engagement for high degree of transparency and product accessibility with state-of-the-art reporting and MIS. While Invictus serves for the first families or the super rich of India in the urban metros, we established a clear gap in the quality of wealth management solution in Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4 cities of India. This gap gave us the vision to build a platform that will serve beyond the urban metros through a B2B2C format called One Digital. The proposition through One Digital is to empower the financial product distributor beyond the urban metros with superior offering of the products, training, learning and development, and reporting and MIS to their clients. Our endeavor is to serve Bharat with the highest quality of product and solutions which can meet the requirements of every single Indian in the most customized manner. Our mission is not just to serve the population in India or Bharat, but the Indians across the globe. This diaspora, which lacks the seamless opportunity to invest into the Indian market, is going to be served by Centricity through its D2C platform, which will enable every single Indian across the globe to invest into India, into the product of their choice. And it will allow them to grow along with the fastest growing large economy in the world. To offer a composite wealth management solution across the segment that we operate, we have also brought in insurance services through our platform OneSure, and in times to come, we are also going to build out a stockbroking platform which will be a discount broking platform, not only serving the long tail of the India market, but also the UHNIs. For the first time in India, a wealth management company will be coming up with discount broking proposition for the UHNIs of the country, or the first families as we call them. Technology sits at the heart of everything that we are building. We strongly believe the future of the wealth management will be driven by intelligent systems, analytics, and AI-powered decision making. Because at Centricity, everything that we do is driven by a simple belief. If technology, transparency, and trust comes together, wealth management becomes a lot more simpler, and every stakeholder involved is benefited by the outcomes. And that is the future we are building.